Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet ﷺ said, "Seven people will be in the shade of Allah's blessing on the day when there will be no shade but His: a just ruler, a young man who remains engaged in Allah's worship, a man whose heart remains attached to the mosque, two men who meet each other for the sake of love of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and part each other in Allah's love, a man whom a woman of rank and beauty solicits, but he says, I fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, a man whom a woman of rank and beauty solicits, but he says, I fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, a man who gives charity so secretly that even his left hand does not know what his right hand has expended, and a man who remembers Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in solitude and his eyes shed tears." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2377.